Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the door is closed flush and the latch aligns. This prevents jamming. Hold the key with the teeth facing away from the frame, not sideways, so it seats correctly. Insert the key fully until it stops, keeping a steady grip. Pushing too hard bends pins, pulling out wastes time. Once inserted, pause briefly to feel the internal pins settle. This initial alignment makes the turning motion smooth and reduces wear on both key and lock. You now apply steady, even turning pressure. Aggressive force can snap the key or strip the cylinder. Once you begin to turn, make small adjustments. If the key resists, stop and wiggle slightly to help the pins set into shear lines. Keep your wrist aligned with the key to avoid torque that damages the key shoulder. Rotate until you feel the deadbolt or latch click. That click confirms the internal mechanism engaged correctly and the door is secured. You finish by returning the key to neutral and withdrawing it smoothly to avoid disturbing the bolt position. Then test the handle or knob to confirm the lock is fully engaged. If it opens, repeat the turn with slightly more pressure. If the key sticks or won't turn, don't force it. Back the key out, reinsert slowly, and try again while applying gentle pressure to set pins. One key troubleshooting tip: if resistance persists, spray a little graphite lubricant.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.